That can of soda you're holding, it might look innocent, cold, and inviting, but there's a lot more going on beneath that shiny label than you think. It's packed with more sugar than a family-sized bag of gummy bears. Seriously, if you stacked up all the sugar cubes inside just one can, you'd have a small mountain, one you'd never dream of eating in a single sitting. You thought you were just quenching your thirst, but you're actually downing the liquid equivalent of a candy store. Every sip is like tossing back handfuls of sweets, only faster and easier to swallow. Companies know exactly what they're doing, spending billions to make you believe it's just a refreshing treat. They hire the best marketers, the catchiest jingles, and the brightest colors to make sure you associate soda with fun, happiness, and good times. The average 20-ounce soda has 16 teaspoons of sugar. Imagine lining up 16 spoons and eating them one by one. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what you're doing, just in liquid form. The American Heart Association recommends less than half that for an entire day. That means with just one drink, you're doubling, sometimes tripling, your daily sugar intake in a matter of minutes. One drink, and you've already blown past your daily limit. Most people don't even realize it, because the sugar is hidden behind words like high fructose corn syrup, or natural sweeteners on the label. But it's not just about sugar. When you drink it, there's no fiber to slow absorption. It's a sugar bullet train to your liver. Your body isn't designed to handle that much sugar all at once, especially in liquid form. Your body panics, floods itself with insulin, and over time, this leads to insulin resistance and metabolic issues. That's why regular soda drinkers are at a much higher risk for type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, and even heart problems. Each time you drink soda, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes, leaving you tired, irritable, and craving even more sugar. It's a vicious cycle that's hard to break, so why do we keep drinking it? Because it's delicious, and everywhere. Soda is at every party, every restaurant, every vending machine. It's become a default choice, a habit we don't even question. The ads show happy, active people, not the reality of cavities and blood sugar spikes. They never show the dentist bills, the sluggish afternoons, or the long-term health consequences. It's a marketing magic trick. They sell you a shiny can and a catchy jingle, while your health pays the price. The real magic is how they convince us to ignore the facts time after time. The real cost? More than just a sugar rush. We're talking about tooth decay, weight gain, and a higher risk of chronic diseases that can last a lifetime. After the initial high, you're left with a crash, fatigue, headaches, and a craving for even more sugar. It's a roller coaster your body never asked to ride. We're not just drinking soda, we're buying into a sugary illusion. The promise of energy and happiness is just that, a promise, not reality. Social media and influencers make it look cool, but behind the filters and hashtags, the truth remains unchanged. Soda is a cleverly disguised sugar bomb dressed up as a harmless treat. The next time you reach for that can, remember it's not just a drink, it's a cleverly disguised sugar bomb. You have the power to choose what you put in your body. The sugary abyss is real, and you're standing at the edge. Every sip is a step closer to health problems that are much harder to reverse than they are to prevent. Are you ready to step back? To question the habit, the advertising, and the cravings? Maybe next time you'll reach for water, or something that truly refreshes you, without the hidden costs. Or will you take another sip? The choice is yours. But now, you know the truth behind the can. Soda, pop, Coke, whatever you call it, has ruled the beverage world for over a century. From the moment it first fizzed onto the scene, it captured our taste buds and our imaginations. Generations have grown up with the sound of a can popping open, the rush of bubbles, and the promise of refreshment. It's more than just a drink, it's a ritual, a symbol of good times and togetherness. It's not just a drink, it's a cultural icon, sold with nostalgia and happiness. Advertisers have woven soda into the fabric of our lives, making it the centerpiece of celebrations, family gatherings, and even quiet moments alone. The message is clear: soda equals joy, connection, and a taste of the good life. But what's really inside that iconic bottle, or can? The real formula is surprisingly simple: carbonated water, artificial and natural flavorings, a jolt of caffeine, and a mountain of high fructose corn syrup. That's right, behind the colorful branding and catchy jingles, it's a cocktail of chemicals and sugar, engineered to keep you coming back for more. That syrup is cheap, super sweet, and your body can't handle it, leading to fat buildup and health problems. Each can pack more sugar than your body needs in a day, spiking your blood sugar and overworking your liver. Over time, this sugar overload can lead to obesity, diabetes, and even heart disease. It's a slow, sweet sabotage. And don't forget the acid, phosphoric and citric, so corrosive it can dissolve a nail in days. These acids give soda its tangy bite, but they also erode tooth enamel and upset your body's natural balance. Imagine what they're doing to your inside, sip after sip. Every sip is an acid bath for your teeth, funding your dentist's next vacation. Cavities, enamel loss, and gum disease are just the start. The more you drink, the more you pay, not just in dollars, but in dental pain and long-term health. The marketing is genius. They sell you belonging, not just a beverage. Every ad is a promise: drink this, and you'll be part of the crowd, the fun, the memory. It's emotional manipulation, wrapped in a shiny can. Remember the football player ad? He wasn't thinking about the sugar, just the moment. These campaigns link soda to strength, victory, and coolness, making us forget what's really inside. Soda is woven into our culture, but it's a weaponized, liquefied dessert. It's a treat disguised as a daily habit, sneaking sugar and chemicals into our routines under the guise of fun. The truth, it's a silent war on your health, disguised as fun. Every can is a small act of self-sabotage, masked by bright colors and happy faces. Cheers to that, if you dare. Next time you raise a can, remember what you're really toasting. Clever marketing, not your well-being. Next time, think before you pop the tab. Ask yourself if the momentary fizz is worth the long-term cost. Is it really worth it? Or is it just a habit, a reflex, a result of decades of advertising? Or is it just another con? The choice is yours. Don't let the bubbles fool you. If soda is a slow-motion car crash, energy drinks are a rocket-propelled grenade. Flashy cans promise wings and unleashed beasts, but deliver anxiety and heart palpitations. One can have up to 300 milliliters of caffeine, 3 strong coffees in 5 minutes. Your heart races, blood pressure spikes, and you're left jittery and anxious. Add in even more sugar than soda, and you've got a double assault on your system. The crash comes fast, leaving you more tired and reaching for another can. It's a cycle designed for profit, not your well-being. Marketing targets youth, selling rebellion and excitement, but the reality is far less glamorous. Most energy drink-fueled moments, all-night study sessions, and exhausted truck drivers. They're selling a fantasy you're too wired to enjoy. Don't buy the hype or the heartburn. Your body deserves better. Iced tea sounds wholesome, tea and water, right? But bottled iced tea is a Trojan horse, loaded with sugar and artificial flavors. A single bottle can have more sugar than 2 donuts. The tea inside, often just water, corn syrup, and a hint of flavoring. Marketers exploit the word tea to sell you a lifestyle, not health. Images of yoga and green fields mask the reality. It's just another sugary drink. Even powdered teas are mostly flavored sugar crystals. You might as well pour sugar into your water. The health halo is a scam. Bottled iced tea is a liquid dessert. Want real tea? Brew it yourself. It's easy, honest, and won't betray your trust or your pancreas. Don't be fooled by the label. Look past the packaging. Choose the real thing. Your body will thank you. Fruit juice. Sounds healthy, right? It's what parents give kids instead of soda. But most commercial juice is just sugar water with a vitamin or two. When you juice fruit, you lose the fiber that slows sugar absorption and keeps you full. What's left is a glass of concentrated sugar, spiking your blood sugar just like soda. 100% juice often means juice from concentrate, stripped of flavor and pumped with artificial flavor packs. The result? A chemical sleight of hand. You'd get more nutrition and less sugar by eating the actual fruit. Juice is a sugary indulgence, not a health food. Don't drink the ghost of fruit. Eat the real thing. Skip the misleading labels. Your body wants fruit, not fruit-flavored sugar water. Make the healthy choice real. Think you've outsmarted sugar with diet or zero sugar drinks? Think again. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose are hundreds of times sweeter than sugar, but your brain expects calories that never come. This confusion can mess with your gut, increase cravings, and even disrupt blood sugar regulation. The science isn't settled, but it's clear. These aren't a free pass. Diet drinks can create a false sense of security, leading you to eat more overall. They're not a magic bullet for weight loss, just another crutch. They keep your taste buds hooked on intense sweetness. Real change means breaking the cycle, not swapping one trap for another. Don't let the diet label fool you. Water is perfect, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 chemicals, but companies turned boring water into a marketing goldmine with flavored waters. Many are just diet sodas in disguise, packed with artificial sweeteners. Even natural flavors are lab-made chemical concoctions, not real fruit. You're paying a premium for water with a hint of chemical perfume. Want real flavor? Add fresh fruit to your tap water. It's healthier, cheaper, and actually natural. Don't fall for the sleek bottles and wellness buzzwords. Flavored water is marketing, not health. Be a label detective. Choose real hydration over hype. Your wallet and your body will thank you. Don't buy the farce. Drink the real thing. Your favorite drink isn't just sugar and water, it's a chemical cocktail. Artificial colors like yellow 6 and red 40 come from petroleum, not fruit. Some dyes are linked to hyperactivity and banned elsewhere, but not here. Preservatives like sodium benzoate keep drinks shelf stable, but can form benzene, a known carcinogen, when mixed with vitamin C. Your liver and kidneys work overtime to process these man-made chemicals. Every sip adds to their burden. Why accept any level of risk for a refreshing drink? Your organs deserve better, you deserve better. Choose wisely. We've taken a deep dive into the sugary abyss, uncovering the hidden dangers lurking in every can and bottle. From the wild energy drink jitters that leave your heart racing, to the sugar crashes that follow, we've seen how these beverages can hijack your body and mind. And, let's not forget the great iced tea betrayal. Those bottles that promise refreshment but deliver a syrupy punch of sugar and artificial flavors, leaving you more thirsty than before. But here's the real shocker. The vibrant colors in your favorite orange and grape sodas? They're not from fruit at all. They're made from petroleum-based dyes, the same stuff used in industrial products. The difference between flavors is just a chemical illusion. The taste and color are carefully engineered to trick your senses, not to nourish your body. You're not drinking food, you're sipping on a carefully crafted lab experiment. Every gulp is a blend of chemicals, sweeteners, and dyes, designed to keep you coming back for more. Now the curtain has been pulled back. You see the truth behind the marketing, the bright packaging, and the catchy slogans. So what happens next? What do you do with this knowledge? The power to change is in your hands. Every time you reach for a drink, you're making a choice, not just for your taste buds, but for your health and your future. Next time you pick up a drink, pause for a moment. Turn the bottle around and read the label. Ignore the smiling faces and the promises of energy or refreshment. Focus on what's actually inside. Can you pronounce the ingredients? Do you recognize them as real food? And take a good look at the sugar content. How much sugar is packed into that bottle or can? Sometimes it's more than you'd ever imagine, more than a dessert, packed into a single serving. Remember, this isn't about being perfect or never enjoying a treat. It's about being aware, making conscious choices, and not letting marketing decide for you. Choose with intention, not out of habit. Every small decision adds up. Here's your challenge. For just 1 week, commit to reading every drink label before you buy or sip. Make it a game. See what you discover. If you spot more than 10 grams of sugar, or see a list of chemicals and additives you can't pronounce, put it back on the shelf. Don't let those unpronounceable ingredients sneak into your body. Instead, reach for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. These simple choices hydrate and energize you, without the hidden costs. Notice how you feel after a week. Maybe you'll have more energy, clearer skin, or just a sense of control over your choices. Share your experience with others. Challenge your friends and family to join you. Make it a movement. The revolution starts right here, in the beverage aisle. Will you take the first step and join in? The choice is yours, and it starts with the next drink you pick up.